In the external. Hi friends, today we are going to discuss on the topic physiological actions of the testosterone. Testosterone is considered to be an anabolic hormone. It is involved in development of the secondary sexual character, that is changes in the external genitalia, which includes the increase in size, that is the length and the width of the penis. Scrotum skin becomes rugose and pigmented. Role of the testosterone in the internal genitalia can be seen as increase in the size of the seminal vesicles, as well as the secretions of the seminal vesicle increases. The secretions of the seminal vesicles are prostaglandins, ascorbic acid, flavins, phosphorylcholine, ergothioneine, and mainly the fructose secretion. Also, testosterone promotes the prostate gland enlargement and the secretions of the prostate gland. The secretions of the prostate gland include the fibrinolysin, fibrinogenase, acid phosphatase, zinc, phospholipids, cholesterol, and spermine. Testosterone also stimulates the bulbourethral gland secretions, that is the secretion of the alkaline and next, the testosterone is also involved in the growth and distributions of the body hairs. There are three types of body hairs considered: non-sexual hairs, ambisexual hairs, and the sexual hairs. Non-sexual hairs are found in the regions like eyebrows and the extremities, which can be depicted in this rough diagram. Ambisexual hairs are the hairs found in the axillary region. Sexual hairs includes the facial hairs, which includes the mustache and the beard, the chest hairs, and the male pattern of the pubic hair, that is apex directed towards the upward direction. Testosterone is also involved in the skin changes, that is due to testosterone, the sebaceous gland secretions are increased, due to which the skin becomes oily. Also, there is marked acne formation, the skin becomes tough, and the skin around the genitalia becomes more pigmented. Mental changes brought about by the testosterone includes it promotes the activeness and the aggressiveness. Also, it promotes the attraction towards the opposite sex, that is the libido. Voice changes noted due to the testosterone is that it makes the voice thick and deep due to enlargement of the larynx and thickened vocal cords. Body configuration which got affected due to the testosterone are: shoulders become broader and there is height spurt. Musculoskeletal changes: testosterone is involved in the closure of the epiphyses of the long bone. It also promotes the muscle hypertrophy. It increases the muscle protein, thereby it increases the muscle mass. Effect of the testosterone on spermatogenesis, that is it stimulates the spermatogenesis, that too the at the level of the spermiogenesis. Effects during the embryonic life: testosterone is involved in the differentiation of the male genitalia, that is in the following ways. It is involved in the development of the Wolffian duct into the epididymis, vas deferens, and the seminal vesicles. Differentiation of the urogenital sinus and genital tubercle into the penis, scrotum, and testes is mainly carried out by the testosterone and DHT. Descent of the testes into the scrotum, that is mainly carried out by the testosterone. Other anabolic effects includes the increased protein synthesis, causes the sodium, potassium, calcium, phosphate, and the water retention from the kidney. These are the electrolytes which are involved in various biochemical anabolic reactions. Anabolic steroids are consumed by the athletes to increase their overall performance. This shows the anabolic effect of the testosterone. Next comes the effect of the testosterone on the brain. So, in brain limbic area, androgen receptors are densely located. Testosterone binds androgen receptors where it gets aromatized, that is in presence of the enzyme aromatase into the estrogen. Other effect of the testosterone: It is involved in signaling a negative feedback which inhibits the GnRH secretion from the hypothalamus and LH and FSH secretion from the anterior pituitary. It is also stimulating the erythropoiesis.